Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can sharpen an image in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find the home section, this device, Pia Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And here in the center of your screen, you're gonna find new project, open from computer, templates, and install Photopea. Go ahead and click on your project, and then you're gonna be right here in this page. So here, as you can see, guys, you can choose a name for your project, and then right here, you're going to find the option to choose the width of your project, the height, the PI, and also the background color. Here you can choose the size for your picture. So from here, you can choose from social, print, photo, or screen. So I'm going to choose this size, for example. And then I'm going to click on create. Once you're here, if you want to add an image, go ahead and click on file. Then click on open right here. Once you click on open, you're going to be right here in this window. So once you're here, go ahead and choose a image that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this image, double click on it, and then it will be added right here. So once you add your image, here in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize your image. So right now, if you want to sharpen your image on Photopea, just go ahead and select the layer of your image and then click on image right here. Or you can go to filter, and then once you're here in filter, here as you can see guys in the bottom, you're gonna find sharpen. Right here you can either sharpen the whole image, sharpen edges, sharpen more. Here you're gonna find smart sharpen and on sharp mask. So I'm gonna click on sharpen, and then once you do it, as you can see guys, now the filter is added, and this is how you can sharpen your image. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.